net present value ng project na 76,050. Okay, so ito yung mga criteria nyo para masabi nyo using net present value or NPV kung kailan unacceptable yung project or should we accept the project or not. So kung positive yung net present value, ibig sabihin lang nun is mas mataas yung return sa project kaysa yung required rate of return. So for this one, ang required rate of return mo is the discount rate that we use, which is 11%. So kaya siya nag-positive ang net present value because meron ka pang sobra out of the net cash inflow. Kinabawi mo yung cost and then may sobra ka pa. That's why we get a positive net present value. Pag net present value 0 naman, kaya rin si 0 is eksakto lang na yung mga lahat ng papasok mo na pera ay pareha ang value nila in the present period ay equal din lang sa present value ng lahat ng gastos mo. So they will just, since they are just equal to each other, ang makukuha mong NPV ay 0. Or ibig sabihin lang nun is you accept the project because yung return that we get from the project is equal to the required rate of return, which is equal to your discount rate na 11%. Pag nag-negative naman ang present value mo, then you reject the project or you don't accept the project because yung return mo from the project is negative, or ibig sabihin mas mababa yung return that you get from investing yung capital in the project because mas malaki pa yung gastos mo kaysa yung bumalik sa'yo or hindi mo, okay, or yung cash inflow mo, present value ng iyong net cash inflow, hindi niya nabawi yung present value ng lahat ng gastos niya o ng mga gastos niya na naglabas siya ng pera. So mas malaki yung cost kaysa yung pumasok na pera sa project. That's why we get a negative net present value.